Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of how to get into top tier firm series. So I know it's been a long time, and firstly I want to wish you all a very happy new year. So in today's video I'll discuss about CAM. Before I start, I want to clarify some things. Top tier firms like CAM offer paralegalship, not just internship. So I was actually initially shortlisted for the paralegal role. However, due to some personal reasons, I wasn't able to continue. So I converted into an internship from paralegalship to internship. I am mentioning this because both the routes can be a valid entry points into the firm. One of the main criteria of CAM is merit, from what I've noticed and what I'm aware of. And you generally need to be in the top 5 of your batch to even apply at the first stage. So your academic performance really matters if you really want to get into CAM or SAM for that matter. So coming to the internship application process, I sent an email to the HR, and the first step was submitting my CV with the cover letter. Once the CV gets shortlisted, I was given this 10-page standalone CAMSAM questionnaire. This questionnaire plays an extremely important role in your acceptance or rejection. We were given like less than a day time to fill that detailed form, and it was like it had many questions, many subjective and objective questions, and where you had to mention area of interest, the location of your internship, and other details. So there was no interview for the internship. The firm relies heavily on the questionnaire. Talking about the paralegalship role, for the paralegalship, the process was slightly different. I'm not entirely sure about the general application route for the paralegal role, but in my case, the firm reached out the placement cell of my college, and my CV was shortlisted. And after that, an interview with the team was held. And post the interview, I was shortlisted as a paralegal. Later on, as I've mentioned, due to some personal reasons, I wasn't able to continue. From what I know, the general policy of CAM is that once you complete your internship, the callback is offered based on the feedback of the team, and thereafter the PPO interview is scheduled. So also, if you want to write to CAM directly, I'll add the official email ID of the HR here or here. And lastly, I want to thank each one of you who has been texting me on LinkedIn and reaching out to me. And I really appreciate all your messages. I'm so sorry I haven't been able to reply to each one of you individually. I will. Also, most of the questions were around the internship, which is why I felt to make this video. And I really hope this answers most of your queries. And I genuinely hope you all make it. And if you still have questions, drop down in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.